Born in West Germany, Ursula Norman has lived in many parts of the world. Her husband Derek is an Englishman and present they living in the United States. When not indulging her love of cooking, Ursula enjoys reading, studying languages, and collecting antiques. Derek Norman, who provides all the illustrations for Ursula's book, is a graduate of Chester School of Art. The Normans have 3 kids, Julia, Marcus, and Carl. Their delightful cookery books, featuring their special look and cook method, have been bestsellers throughout the world. Printed in Spain.